Sis,
Where's my... Hey.
wait, wait,
Hi.
come over here.
Hey, hey.
Let's play.
Hi, boyfriend.
What did you mean? I'm your brother.
Hi, boyfriend.
You said to me, brother.
Brother, hi, brother. Help
Hello, sister.
Help me. Help
Oh,
me.
no, bro.
I like the book.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Let's go to our house. Wanna go to our house?
Come on. I'm gonna get our house.
This one.
No, over here.
Let's see it. Come here. Hey, not there. The big car. Guess what goes there?
I had the house now.
Wow.
Come on, let's go in.
Wow. Look at this, the house.
Wait, I'm gonna lock the door first. Because we are just... Hey, where are you?
I'm here.
Are you in the bathroom?
No, I'm in the room.
Okay. Sleep over here. I'm gonna sleep in the other room. Okay, just sleep over. Oh, there's a bunk beds. Oh my god, bro. Hey, sis. Do you want to go here or the bunk beds?
Bunk bed.
Okay. Let's sleep together.
Can you, let's sleep together?
Wait,
Can I lay down?
you cannot lay down?
Yes.
Here you go. You can lay down now. Okay, sleep, okay? I'm gonna go first.
Yes. It's boiling.
I'm drinking a milkshake. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. I am in the balcony. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hey, what are you doing in my rep? Hey, are you sneaking in my rep? In the freezer? Hey, come back over here! I'm gonna punish you for doing that to my fridge. Don't waste foods. I don't have any money. I had zero money. Okay? Next time you do that, I'm gonna punish you. Like this. Like this. I'm gonna punish you like this. Are you laughing at me? Wait a minute. I got you, bro. I got you. Sorry, I'm gonna... Wait, I'm gonna come back. Wait, I'm gonna go. Here you go. I'm gonna unbend you. There you go. You can go in. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I'm joking. Sure. Hey, right over here. What did you just say to me? I'm gonna lock you in the door, okay? Hey, come in. Come on. Ano yan? Hindi na bigay sa kanya. Tagal, oh! Hindi, ha? Bakit ito? Oh! Wait! Watch over here. I'm gonna get some food, okay?
Stop watching the game. Stop watching.
You want to come?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Wait, come on. Why did you just jump over the balcony? Okay, sis. Come on, sister. Come on over here, please. Wait, I'm gonna get some food. I'm the cooking master over here, okay? Yes, I'm gonna pay it for you. Just in case. Just in case. Yummy! Here you go. You're the credit card now.
Soda and hamburger.
What?
Soda and hamburger.
Wait. Wait, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Wow.
What happened in there? I smell you. What? Ah! Go outside. I got this. Oh no, bro. Go in the pool. Just drink in. Just go to the bathroom. Where is the? Oh, there you go. Oh no, bro. You lose it, man. Here you go. Is that yummy? Hey sis, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
My tummy is hurt.
Okay. Who are you?
My best friend kidnapped me. Busit na yan, kaibigan ko. Napapano siya? Diba? Faith, help me. We cannot ban him kasi we cannot ban him. Let's go in, bro. Let's go in, sis. Go, come on. Hey, sis, come over here. Hey, go in. First, I'm gonna go to the club, okay? Bye-bye, sis. I'm gonna bring some beer. Okay, I'm coming now. I'm gonna go to sleep. Sorry. I'm gonna sleep, okay? Wait, I'm gonna check my money. What? Wait, I had 1 billion money.
Wow!
Let's make for dinner, okay? I'm gonna call. Wait, I'm gonna order something for us. They're coming right now. Wait, let's prepare dinner. Do you want pancakes? Do you want this?
It's on the plate.
Oh, sorry. Wait, I'm gonna prepare. Do you want hot dogs? I want hot dogs for dinner. What the? How did you get that? How did? Nom 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 nom. I'm gonna go now. I'm done. I'm gonna go to my room.
Wait.
Bye-bye, babe. I'm gonna sleep. I'm tired. Where are you going? Forget the food. Just go.
I'm all sleepy. And close this.
Hey, remove this. I'm sleepy. I'm sleeping walking. Apa dia? Faith, it's morning now. Let's. Faith, where are you? Faith? Where are you?
Ako po sa akin yung dalawang bag. Where are you?
Binigay po ni Tito JP.
Did you say thank you to Tito? Ano kasi?
Tito JP po. JP. Come on, Faith. Please. Tito JP. Thank you. Alipin, thank you daw po sa amin nila.
Bless ka kay Tito. Ayaw kumain sa mga bata.
Go to side. Go to. Magte-take you. Hey, Faith, it's over there. Uwi na ata sila. Pati sila, Jacob.
Patingin nga kung ilan percent yung cellphone ko. Ano yung cellphone ko?